Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to change your Roblox wallpaper. You can't upload an image or something, but yeah. What I know of, it works for Windows and Chromebook. It's all I know. But you want to go to the Chrome web store, right here. You must be on extensions. Now you search up Stylus. Click right here. This is where you can install it. It will actually say at the Chrome, but still works for this. So you'll probably have like a tab right here, but if you can't see it, just try to click over here to extension and like try to search the anti-C stylus. Oops, I'm not in the right section, but here we go. So it must be like this. You must be on the Roblox page to do it. Now pick anything you like. I'll be clicking on this one. Well, it doesn't really work. Yep. Like that. I hope this helped you. Anyway, bye.